Welcome back to Steel City Drones. Happy New Year. With 2025, there sure was a lot of twists and turns in the United States in the drone industry. And now that we're in 2026, I have a rather large announcement to make. I am very happy to say that Steel City Drones is growing and expanding as a company, and we have now secured an office in the Toronto area, and we are now going to go ahead and be offering, selling, and supporting the Canadian market. And we get a lot of calls from Canadians all the time, calling us up and saying, I love all of your YouTube videos you do. I think what you guys is doing fantastic. I'd like to buy a drone off you, but you have to charge me duty tax. And the answer has always been yes, we would have to. Now that we're established in the Toronto area, we can now sell and ship drones from Canada to our Canadian customers without any problems. So you might be asking, why Toronto? Well, we wanted to go ahead and have a location that's pretty close to our current main office in Pittsburgh. That way, if I want to go ahead and drive up to our satellite office, it's only a 3.5-hour drive. So we're really excited about that. And also the other real important thing for us too is now that there is an official drone ban, and what that drone ban is for foreign drones in the United States, it was really important for us to be able to continue working with new platforms as they come out on the DJI and Autel side. So when we get new drones that are going to be released, say in the springtime, we'll be able to go ahead and test them, evaluate them, and do comprehensive review videos. And me and my team will be fully up to speed on all of the new technology as they still come out and know it like the back of our hand to support our customers. So that's really, really important for us to be able to do that as a company. And I can't tell you how excited I am about this change and expanding into the Canadian markets. So if you're, in the market in Canada for a drone, we are ready to be able, right now, to be able to support you and sell you a drone. Anything on our website. And if there's something that's not even on the website and you're looking for it, let us know, and we can definitely start serving the Canadian markets right away. And as far as the United States market goes, nothing has changed. We're still selling everything in the United States. We still have sparingly DJI supplies that, there's sporadic inventories that come and go on some levels of enterprise drones, but it's hit and miss. But however, we still sell the Autel, everything with the Autel brand, everything with Free Fly and Inspired Flight and Parrot. We still sell that in the United States as well. And now everybody in the United States and in Canada is going to be able to enjoy the same level of after-sales support. We are open 7 days a week. We answer the phone on the weekends. We answer the phone from 6 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock at night. So if you're in the market for a drone, we offer that level of support free of charge. And I don't know of anybody who does that. And for the few people that offer after-hours supports and on the weekends, charge their customers a premium cost. We do not do that. So again, we're really, really happy. Even in the United States this past year, there was a tremendous amount of growth with us as far on our training side. We had more training projects in 2025 than we had from 2020 to 2024 combined. And, we really attribute that to our level of, in our mapping courses that we've been adding to it, the inspection courses, and we're going to be adding new online courses coming in the spring as well. So we have a lot of really good things coming through, and the future is very bright for us. So if you have any questions about this, let us know. Give us a call. We'll be glad to talk to you. We're really excited. And thanks again for watching this video, this announcement. Great things are coming on the horizon. Let's go. Let's do it. So thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.